If you're wanting to get into house flipping, you're probably wondering which repairs you should or should not make. Everyone has their own unique formula, but it's important to start with the basics. If you're flipping a home in a suburban area where the layouts of the homes are all the same, don't go overboard. Because the layouts of these homes are so similar, you may not see the return on your investment that you put into the home. Keep it conservative unless your home is in a very diverse area with all different types of floor plans and types of homes. If your property fits that description, really good renovations or repairs that you're going to see the highest return on will be things that are very apparent in the home. Whether it's adding recessed lighting in the living room, redoing a kitchen, removing a wall, or adding impact windows, you want to do the repairs that will make the property feel more spacious, bright, and modern. A good real estate agent is going to guide you and help you reach your goals no matter how specific or broad they may be. So if you're looking to sell a property and are looking for someone with over a decade of experience to help you through the way, call 305-423-5112 and don't forget to follow.